Today I'll teach you how to move about 3 ways on Scratch. So you could use a scratch pad or anything. I just created this ball. So of whatever you make, you need to duplicate 3 times or just make 2 more sprites. So I have these 3 balls. I am gonna start with moving with variables. So you have to make 2 variables. X, the X variable, and the Y variable. So we don't want these to show. So we'll start like this. When flag clicked, control, forever, motions, go to. We're going to match X with X and Y with Y. So now if I change Y by 1, well, let's say when flag clicked, change Y by 1, it will go there because the programming says that. So now we will do the when flag click. We'll just do it this way. You can also do one flag click forever if then sensing space. It just takes more time. So we'll use this. Put that there. And we'll start with up arrow. So Y is up and down and X is right and left. So I'm gonna do when up arrow key pressed, change Y by 1. So now you see it changes it by 1. I will now make this about, let's say 5. Change it by 5 steps. So now let's see. So I can just duplicate this 4 times. Because it's technically the same script with just a few changes. Oops. Duplicate. I wish there was like a button that you said how many times you wanted to duplicate it. That would make it way easier. So now we'll do down, negative, right, X, now we'll do left. So now it goes like this. We're having a problem on the left arrow. Oh, that's because I forgot to do the X. So now that's the step 1 on how to move by variables. So we'll put this over here. Now we will work on moving we'll do the X and Y the other way. X and Y. We'll use these. So go over here. It's technically the same thing, just a little bit different. When right arrow, change Y, change X by 10. Then I'll duplicate this 4 times because we need the beginning. Somebody just bumped into the glass door. Then we'll do change. We'll do this one by up arrow. So now let's see what we have. Right arrow and up arrow. So right now we actually need to change this. So we'll do here. We'll do 1, 2, 3. It's just left. So 1 equals right, 2 equals up, 3 equals left, and 4 equals down. It's just another way. 4 equals down. So now here we'll do motion. Change when 3 pressed. Change Y by 3 is, we'll do 3 down. Change Y by -10, and then we'll do when 4 pressed, change X by -10. So that's the variable I'm moving right now. And this right here is the, and now I am moving the I am moving with the 1, 2, 3. So how about this? We'll make this for it to be easier to see. We'll do here 1. So then 1 equals 1, 2, 3. Then here we'll do V. So which one's moving by this one's moving by variables. So okay, this one's moving by variables. So here we'll make a V. And then here we will move it with, let's see, what should we move it with? We'll do WASD. So here we'll put a W. Well, you know, because I don't really remember the WASD that well, we will do, let's see, we could do, let me think here. Well, here we'll just do the classic way. I'll just teach you the way we use for the variables, same thing. But so we'll do so they always start with this, or another way to do this would be when flag click, this whole thing forever. If then sensing special key like left arrow press, like you could also do it that way, but I just think it's faster this way. When up arrow motion, point in direction 0, looks, move 10 steps. So the thing for this is it turns. So you want to make it like not turn. I'm just going to drag this over here. Duplicate, down arrow, 180, right arrow, 990, here, -90. See, I've memorized these. Left arrow. So now let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the 3 ways you learn how to move today. The variable ways, the X and Y, and the classic way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Scratch and subscribe on YouTube.